dripping, I like hot sauce on my chicken. Oh God. I pull the rubber off and I put hot sauce on her titty. 21. I'm in a Bentley truck, she keep on sucking like it's tinted. 21. All these VVS's, nigga, my sperm worth millions. Oh God. The bitch so bad, I popped a Miley before I hit it.
Your bitch want party with Cardi. Cartier body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over.
Hey Gems, I'm back. I'm back with another video, and I know it's been like 2-3 weeks that I haven't posted, and that's because I've been busy trying to get my cosmetology license. So yeah, I'm so sorry about that, and probably won't happen again. So today's video is going to be me doing a Valentines Smokey Eye featuring the James Charles palette. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited I got this palette.
Look at all those colors. Anyways, so yes, featuring the James Charles palette, and I'm just gonna do probably a Smokey Eye Valentine's Day look. I don't know, I'll figure something out.
Thank you to all you guys who are still subscribed to me, and I've also seen that I got new subscribers, so thank you guys so much. But if you wanna watch me do my makeup look, just keep on.
So I always do my foundation and eyebrows off camera, so I'll be back in a few. And I already did my eyebrows and my foundation, so we're just gonna get started with the eye look.
So fragile, like it was built to break off the hand.
Okay, now the second step, I'm gonna be using a primer, because I've heard things about, you know, to get the best results you have to use a primer. Yeah.
But I won't leave you. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. 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 I'll be holding Let's slow down. I wanna live right now. I'm not worried, thinking about to.
Now I'm just gonna take this like black pencil liner thing. I'm just gonna put it all over my lid. Cosmetics. I'm using this black glitter right here. look on me, but you know, I'm gonna just try to keep it on. Guys, so this is the final look.
Y'all make this way too easy. You can watch me more than your TV. Make sure she see I'm the main bitch on the show like Mo. Y'all can miss it. 'Cause I give all them competition. They don't even deserve my attention. And she can leave before her entrance. I don't give a fuck about none of y'all bitches.